Welcome to memoQ in 90 seconds. Today, translating embedded content with cascading filters. What we see here is an Excel file containing some HTML elements that should be translated. And what is actually HTML? HTML, or hypertext markup language, consists of elements used to create content for websites. For instance, we have the B element here, which stands for bold. And then we also have the P element, which stands for paragraph. These elements tell the browser how to display the text accordingly. Now, if we import such a text with default memoQ settings, these HTML elements will be displayed as plain text, like this, which can make it inconvenient for linguists to process. There's also a risk of mistakes being made when inserting them into the translation. But fortunately, there is a simple solution to this problem. First, we import the file with options. Then we change filter and configuration. And then we add cascading filter. Cascading filters means that we stack filter one after the other. In this case, we'll use Excel and HTML filters. So we'll prepare the file with settings relevant for Excel first, and then for HTML to convert the HTML elements into tags. And as you can see, there are several options and combinations available, making this method versatile for various scenarios where you have embedded elements that you'd like to hide or lock. Now, we can easily copy these HTML elements and translate the file. Thank you for watching.